Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. Today I'm going to be showing you this sticky gel pad thing. There's a brand called Fixate, but this is a non-branded one. It's just a sticky gel pad for your phone and stuff. It's reusable, rewashable, everything. Go ahead and open this. This has been sat there for a while now because I don't have a use for it, but it is very good. Let me take it out. Okay, so you got some protective film on it. Let me just take that off. Oh, that's very sticky. Okay, so this is to stick. Alright, so I'll show you now. Give you a demonstration. Okay, stuck that on. It's just a clear thingy. So what you can do is stick both sides is sticky. It's not too sticky. You can take it off anytime. Do you know what I mean? So what you can do with that is like a phone holder. You can use it in your car. Anyway, so I'm going to demonstrate with a pack of cards, which is heavier than a phone. So if you can hold this, then you'll hold the phone easily. As you can see, easy as that. And look, leaves no residue. Actually, I'll just demonstrate with the phone anyway, might as well. Right, got Motorola here. There you go. Holds it up fine. Take it off. It's not left a single mark there, as you can see. So that's how easy it is. I got this for my car, but if you watch my previous videos from a long time ago, you'll see I have like a basket thing on the side of my car, like a thing that I attached on, so I don't really need it. So this is just extra. You can always take it off anytime. If it gets dirty, like dusty and stuff, you can wash it. It's rewashable. You can cut it down to whatever size you want as well, which is quite good. So I might cut this down a bit if I do decide to use it in my car. And yeah, it's pretty cool. You can use this for anything really. Stick it anywhere. Stick anything on it, literally. Okay, maybe you want to stick this on. There you go, guys. Simple as that. It's not sticky, but it's sticky. Cool technology, I like it. Yeah, so if you do decide to wash it, make sure you let it dry, otherwise it won't stick as good. So once it's dry again, it will go back to sticking fully, powerfully. You can wash it as many times as you like. And it cost me like £2, less than £2, something like that. And yeah, it's definitely worth it. The branded one's called Fixate, so go check that out if you want to. You can get unbranded one, which is cheap, like these, and they're see-through as well, which I like. So yeah, anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.